So it's a condition kind. So if and if kind of stuff is a conditional statements. If statements based on a condition. If condition starts satisfy and it do the remaining thing. If you require a flowchart kind of stuff, you can go to Java T point or tutorial points. They'll give you in a details like in a flowchart manner. Okay, so very simple, guys. It is. Look at this is a condition. Okay, so this is my a statement. If statement is there. Okay, this is the condition. So here I put a condition here. If condition is satisfied, okay, condition satisfy, execute some statement, okay, do some work. If condition satisfied, do some work and get out from here like this. This is exit final. Okay, I'm not good at flowchart kind of stuff. I'm not a C++ candidate. Okay, I don't like that one program because I learned in diploma and I didn't learn properly. That is also. Luckily, I remember few things. Okay, it will exit. So this is a simple flow chart of my if loop. Is it correct or wrong?
Yes, sir. Correct. Yes, sir.
So here it is. So it is the entrance of program. So the condition, if condition will verify here. If condition verify, if condition satisfied, do this one. Okay, do this statement. It means yes, condition is correct. Do this. No.
Directly exits.
Exit from here. Okay. So this is only if part statement only if. Okay. So how it is works? Let's see. Very good. So where is this? Yeah. If loop I can type here, but it is always give me means again you have to type that is like not look good. So what I'm trying to do is I can use my what we can say PyCharm or Visual Studio Code, but it will take little bit time. Visual Studio Code opens very faster, no problem, but still it will take a very small time. This is open very faster, so this is if statement only. Okay, so this is a file based one. So already yesterday class I told how to create or open the file. You can type your code here and manage this from here. Okay, so this is a single if statement, guys. I think I didn't write anything on this one, so then you can also try. So if else condition satisfied and do the job. So that is a main part of if statement. Okay, different conditions are there: equal to, not equal to, less than, not less than. Okay, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, like this. Mostly it is yours. Okay, if statements writes in if keyword. Okay, so that is key in here. Okay, so okay, so first one is if B is greater than A, then print this one. If not, if this condition not satisfied, what to do? Exit from it. Okay, so like that you can able to do it. Like for example, I will take A is a integer input. Okay, A is a integer input. So then I will put a equal to kind of stuff. Now I'm writing a statement if okay, otherwise for B also I am doing for a two statements comparison I will do it. Guys, it is not always like only these comparison works or not. So many other places we use the if statement. So if is very important. We can write if statements inside your for loop, while loop also in a different situations. Okay, if A is greater than B, then print. Okay, A is
Greater than B.
greater than
B.
Okay, guys, practice at least 2 to 3
Else.
programs only. Okay, so I have only one statement, if statement. If this condition satisfied, do this one. If condition not satisfied, bye bye. Okay, so run A. A is 10, B is 20. It is not executing, it's not doing anything. Again, I'm running. A is 40, B is 30. Now it is doing. So see it is. If condition satisfied, A is greater than B, then it is executing. Here it is, A is not greater than B, not doing anything. No, it is.
Sir, if we write else statement and print if else print B is greater than A, then we'll
Very
get B is greater than A.
correct. Correct. So if in case I said if this condition satisfied, do like this. If condition is not satisfied, okay, if condition not satisfied, so then I put a else. I put a else. It means if condition not satisfied, meaning is it is else statement I'm giving, and under else statement, so I'll put a thing do like this and exit. Do like this kind of stuff. Okay, if condition satisfied, do like this. If condition is not satisfied, it means else, do like this. This is called a if-else statement. Okay, if-else statement. So again, we go to implement. This is if, first if,
Else.
okay. Next one is if-else. Very simple, guys.
Else.
Guys, it is not like a Java. Compulsory placements are important. Means if condition colon, if condition colon, and the statement is comes under like this. There is a space. Okay. Same thing else colon enter. See the spaces are very important. A
A
is
is not greater than
not
B.
greater. But is else statement is added. If this condition satisfied, do like this. If not satisfied, do like this. Okay, that is called a else statement. Now you have to run, right? So save and go to run. Now A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20. Now A is not greater than B. Statements are purely in our hand. If you put a if this condition satisfied, hello. If this condition not satisfied, go to bye bye. Okay, so like that also you can put it. Okay, so I'm running again. So A is 44, B is 33. Now A is greater than B. So you have to check both the conditions. Okay, you have to check both the conditions. So this is called a if-else statement. But sometimes not a single statement, you need a multiple parts. Not a single statement, you may require a multiple kind of statements. Then we'll see else if. Thing is else if. So this is two condition statement. It is not a one single condition. It is two condition statement. Okay. If this condition satisfied, yes, then do like this. If condition not satisfied, it means it is a no. Then check another condition like a else if. Okay, it is another condition is else if statement. Why am I if yes, very good, if. Okay, or you can use this kind of if also. Okay, else if condition not satisfied, check the other condition. Check the other condition. Okay, actually we have to write here. Already I told no, I'm not a programmer. Okay, I learned this thing. I learned C++ in my in a diploma, not in engineering. Okay, so even that time also it is I'm very poor in that time. So I'm not a programmer. I'm a networking fellow. Okay, but I can able to learn. Meaning is why I'm telling like this. Meaning is you can learn, guys. Okay, you can easily learn. Okay, so if condition satisfied, do like this. If condition not satisfied, check other condition using else if. Using else if. If in case this condition satisfied, do like this and exit. If this condition not satisfied, if this condition not satisfied, do like this. We can give like this. So whenever you say condition not satisfied but do like this, it means there is a else statement is there. So you can tell if this condition not satisfied, this condition also not satisfied means condition number 1 satisfied, do like this. Condition number 2 satisfied, do like this. Okay, and next if no, then it is else. Then it is a statement is else statement. Okay, do like this. Okay, you may get a doubt, guys. If condition 1, condition 2 both are satisfied, nothing is like that. It is go by line. First it will check the if statement, condition satisfied, get out from here. Okay, so you don't do two words. Yes, exit. That's why I've written exits in bottoms. Okay, exit, condition satisfied, exit. That's it. Don't check the second condition. Don't check the second condition. In a loops, it will check the second type of condition. But in here, when condition satisfied, exit. Okay. If condition not satisfied, if you give an else or if else, then check the second condition. If second condition satisfied, do this one. If second condition not satisfied, else do it. And you can put a chain like a check the condition number 1, condition number 2, condition number 3, condition number 4, condition number 5. So as long as you are checking a condition, you have to give else ifs. First one is if, remaining are else ifs only. The last one is else. Okay, so we'll see the else if statement. Here it is. So I will remove this point. Here it is. Okay, so I will do it like here. So if A is greater than B, A is greater than B. Else if, check the condition, else if A is less than B, else if statement is A is less than B, then I put a is
less than B.
less than B. Okay, so people are recollecting their memories of C++. Scanf, printf. A and B are equal. Okay, if either A is greater than B or A is less than B, if it is not greater, it is not less. So both are equal, right? That is a condition here. Check this condition. If satisfied, print this one. Check this condition. Satisfied, print this one. If both are not satisfied, do like this.
Yeah.
So this is the if-else statement. Okay, else if statement. So but 1 second, guys. So I done a mistake. So don't worry. So Control C. I put a else statement. This is what we done earlier. Now we are about to do is this one. Okay. The first starting time when I taught Python, so then I create each and everything in a separate files. If file, if else if file like that I created. I don't know where it is stored also now. Yeah, I have to run, right? So then save it, run. Yeah, so A value 10, B value 20, A is less than B, very good. And run it again. Okay, so A value 44, B value 24. Now A is greater than B, very good. Now again run it. So A value 55, B value also 55. A and B are equal, not a greater, not a small, and a greater. Okay, so if this condition satisfied, do this one and exit. If not satisfied, check this condition, do this one. If they check this condition, if it is satisfied, do this one and exit. If both conditions are not satisfied, get out from here. So that is if-else statement. Guys, understand or not?
Sir, understood, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it's a very small example I given. So you can build with it different examples also. List, tuple, in operator, is operators, like that also you can use it. Nested if statements also there. In nested if statements also there. You can practice with the nested if statements. Okay. Okay. So what I'm trying to do is I remove all these things. Okay. So I put a list A equal to 22, 44, 55, 66, 34, 13, something. Okay, same thing it is. Condition will changes. In list, if 22 in list A, print 22 in list A. Next one is 44. No. I can make it a little complex. If you like it, I can make it a little complex. A equal to integer input such A value in list A. Okay, so I put a instead of this one A. Okay, so like this, else if A in list A No. Else statement I will put it. So simply I will remove all these things. So I will put a is not in list A. Okay. So this is my program. So like a what is this membership operator, right? In save run. So search a value in a list A. So 22 is in list A. Okay. Again run. 99 is not in a list A. Okay, guys. So this is depends upon you how to implement on your own. So this is your if else if statement, multiple statements, kind of stuff. You can use like a value, B value, okay, like a if else statements. If this condition not satisfied, and check the other condition, okay. So you can put it like this, like a copy. So I put a else if statement, okay. List B, okay. So I'll remove these elements and I'll put a different list. So 33, 88, 110, 122, 132, 68, 26. Okay, double value. Okay, why I given it double value? Because I don't get any idea what to type. Okay, A in list B. A in sorry A. If you give B, it will throw error. Why? Because of it is not defined. Whenever you not defined any variable, don't give. If you give, it will throw an error. And not fine. Very simple. See, same concept. Module. So a value is means a value is I will put a 66. A value is in a list A. Okay, so now again run. Okay, 68. Now the value is in B. Value is in B. Run. I put a 111. Not found. Found or find, whatever it is. Okay, English. Guys, understand finally somewhat.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can take some example and you can start implementing it. So mainly I'm talking to the non-programming background people, guys. If I can able to learn, you can easily learn. You are younger and easily you can do it. Okay, so if else statement. So this if statement, this also if kind of statement, and this is if else statement. This is if else statement. Then this is if if else statement. Okay, so all are same thing. That's it for now, guys. That's it. You can try for loop, while loop also there, and already Yesterday I told no, so last batch I covered for loop, while loop also. Then you can also try batch 13 for loop, while loop also you can try. Okay, for is also same thing. Just if you have this data, then easily we can write the for loop also. Very simple. You can type like this, For x in list A, like this, print x. Okay, just save, run. So it display thing. For is a iterator. For is a iterator. Just I'm giving this information just for basic practice purpose. Okay, and also you can give the conditions here. So if x equal to 66, take. Okay, so what will happen? Save it, run it. See, when x becomes 6, it is iterated first 22, 44, 55, 66, okay, 34, 13. So it is like iterator, right? So it will display 22, 44, 55, 66, 34, 13. This is sequence. It is coming, right? But when I given a condition, if x is equal to 6, okay, x is equal to 6, like you can look at here. So x equal to x, like this, you can write x value. Okay, so I'm removing this one. So it is x values, first is 22, next 44, next 55, next 66, 34, and then 30. This is x value. And what I given is if x is equal to 33, sorry, 66. Or you can give greater than also we can give. Okay, and I given break. No need to execute things. I read. I got what I wanted. That's the kind of stuff it is. Okay, so break statement. So save it, run it. So it is, see, when it is reaches x is equal to 66, break. Okay, so this is another statement. Break for with a break. Okay, next one is continue. What is this continue? So we'll see it. So can you see 66 here? It has got skipped, not break. It is continued, means 22, 44, 55, 34 and 13 came, but 66 is not displaying here. Why it is not displaying? It is got skipped. You can write like a print x value x. Meaning is if this condition satisfied, do some other task and continue with the loop. So what is this continue? Don't break the loop. No need to break the loop. If condition is satisfied, do some task and continue with the loop. Okay, continue with the loop. So we'll see this one, how it is works like this. So I given certain task, do here. If condition satisfied, do this task and continue with the loop. Okay, that is the point of here. Okay, that is continue, break, continue. So that is how to define a for loop, basic for loop, and this is continue. Okay, if possible, I will explain tomorrow also. No problem. Next one is pass. Pass don't do anything. Pass don't do anything. Okay, so I will tell what is the use of pass. Pass is also is like a continue type, but it don't skip anything. It don't skip anything. Pass is to do some work and continue loop without skipping that point. Okay, that's the difference. So it is 66. So 22, 44, 66. But if condition satisfied, do this one and continue with your kind of stuff. Okay, so this is one of the important use of pass. Means the step won't skip. If condition satisfied, do this one and continue the once you done, continue your execution. Okay, so that's a small difference is there. Pass and continue. Compulsory check the output. Without output, you can't get it. So of course you can leave remove this thing because I'm working with the one list only. Okay. So what is the use of this pass? I will tell. For example, I given this statement like this. I've written like this and I'm trying to execute it. Now it is showing there is an error. You're not tell anything. I given pass. That's it. I don't. I'm just creating a structure. I'm creating a program structure, but I didn't remember. Sorry, it will take time to put implementing some code under this one. Implementing certain code under this one, but I already given a condition, but already I given a statement, but I didn't given what to do. What to do? Okay, so I didn't continue this one. So maybe I will develop later. Maybe I will develop the code later. So, but when I execute it, it throw an error because of Python don't have a separate compilation, a separate interpretation kind of stuff. When you are run automatically, you do both the things and it compile from starting to ending. See it does not throwing any errors, not throwing any errors, not giving any disturbance. Okay. For example, I disable the pass by making it as a comment. This time trying to run. See it is red color unexpected. I like this. It is coming. Okay. Pass. Even though you don't give or you don't want to run, so like this, nothing will be happens. So that is another use of pass. So I cannot. I'm doing here and looking the output here. So I cannot able to put the output in the manner also. Yes, tomorrow I will explain the for while loop if possible kind of stuff. But what I'm doing is I'm not giving a chance you to try once also. Next one is while loop. For loop is a iterator. While loop is it executes same thing for multiple times till the condition is not satisfied. So same thing, flowcharts I have not written. So same flowchart for loop and while loop. But only thing is it's a condition rechecking. In the if loop, condition satisfied, do this one. But in a for loop and while loop, condition is till the condition not satisfied, you do again and again and again for a for loop and while loop. Okay. So for a while, um, mm, so you can give a condition like a if a is equal to 10. So most common thing. Okay. So now a is equal to 0. A value is 0. Okay. A is equal to greater than or equal to if a is sorry less than or equal to 10. If a is less than or equal to 10. Yes. Condition satisfied, right? A is 0 means 0 is less than 10. If the condition not satisfied, so make sure that condition should not be satisfied. Print a value. Okay, print a value. Then a plus equal to 1. Meaning is increment. A plus plus type increment. I given increment. Save. Run. It is see 0 to 10. 0 to 10. It is only depends upon you guys. See, control X. It depends upon you. So where you put a condition. See, changing the condition. Interchanging the statement. See, it become 1 to 11. Okay, so compulsory check where you put a this kind of stuff. Now 0 to 10. Okay, so this is while loop. You can do ranges also. You can do it in a ranges also range. Yeah, that's a for loop also. We can do ranges. Okay, so this is if a equal to 6 break. Okay, break, save, run. See, it reaches 6, it broken. It reaches 6, broken. Continue. Okay, so but it is stopped here because it don't know what to do. So I have to change little bit kind of stuff. See, 6 is printing very continuously. So it is not checking any of the condition also. So now it is working. So a value is automatically given 1 here. So obviously it is increments before printing. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 is skipped. 6 is skipped. Print. Okay. 6 is skipped. Next one is pass. Next one is pass. Pass. It means you do the work and do it. So this is a basically a for loop with a break, pass, and continue kind of stuff. Of course, for a just like your for loop, you don't know what to do after giving some statement. Okay, very simple. Give the pass. Just you don't do anything. You don't throw any errors. So that is another thing. Okay. Of course, there is a multi-nested loop kind of stuff is also there. For while loop, else, if else kind of stuff, else loop is also there. Okay. Else loop is also there. You can try that one. Okay. If a is by 2 is equal to 0. Okay. A is is a odd number, even number. Else print A is odd number. Guys, you have to check multiple examples, different type of examples, and try. Run a margin. See, 0 is a even number, 0 is a even number. So why it is doing like this? So because of I didn't given any loop condition, means increment is not given. Okay. So it is 0 is a even number, 1 is odd number, like this. And also you can do primary number kind of stuff. You can also do primary number condition. If another if statement you have to give. Okay. So again you have to divide A with some other number. So this is a while loop. Okay, this is a one kind of while or a nested while loop kind of stuff. While if kind of stuff. While else is also there. While else is also there. Int. Like this. This is while loop. Here it is. If it's like I completing everything without your consent part, but original class is about your if loop only. I explained clearly. This is I'm doing directly. Okay, just try once because you have a time. That's why I'm telling all these things. Okay, so try once. What is the while loop? Okay, what are the while loop kind of stuff here, and as well as a Java T point also you can try while loop. Try at least try in a Java T point also if you have a type. For loop also try once. Okay, for loop, while loop, you can easily try. Okay, break, continue kind of stuff. Ranges, the ranges statement is also very good in a for loop. Okay, else statement, for else statement. So for else statement. Okay, if condition to do as for this one, if conditions is given here, but this else statement not under if, this else statement is under for. Okay, so here it is. Also you have to verify while else statement is there, for else is also there. Okay, in a Python. That's it, guys. That's it for today. Okay, anybody is alive, still alive? So tomorrow morning again